Hey friends, my name is Sarita and welcome to Curly Trails. Here you will find lots of videos for women over 40 and also some entertaining vlogs also. So if you're interested in such type of content, do stick on. If you're a woman over 40 or you're just crossing your 40s, you might realize that a lot of changes are happening in your body. Your hormone level changes, your metabolism slows down. You might also lose bone density. Although all these are happening in your body, you can counteract these signs of aging, internal as well as external, if you maintain a consistent level of fitness routine. Mom, a yoga center has started nearby. You'll be interested to join? Who, me? You think I'll be able to do all those asanas at my age? No. I won't be able to do all that. You just leave me alone. Firstly, you must have a positive mindset. You think it's easy, but it can be difficult. To look and to feel how you want, the first thing you have to do is to just ignore the negative thoughts that come to your mind, telling you that whatever goal is there that you want to achieve is unachievable in your 40s. You shouldn't let your age come in between you and the sort of physical exercise or activity that you want to do. Experts say that as long as there is breath in you, you have the opportunity to challenge yourself, to try new things, to discover more about yourself and what you can do. Hey, I checked online and I found this perfect place for me to go and exercise. I am so ready to start my exercise routine. Hey, take a breath. Before you start an exercise routine, there are a lot of things that you need to do. First of all, you need to consult with your doctor. Although for any moderate exercises like brisk walking, it is safe for most people. You are suggested to consult a doctor if you are starting an exercise program, if you are having any serious health issues like diabetics or blood pressure, arthritis, kidney problems, or you are undergoing any kind of serious treatment. You may also check with your doctor if you have any symptoms related to heart, lungs, or have any other serious diseases. If you are unsure of your health status or if you have multiple health issues, you must talk to your doctor before starting any exercise program. Working with your doctor ahead of time can help you plan your exercise routine, and that would be a very good first step to your path of physical fitness. See, I like to exercise and I want to exercise, but I don't want to go to the gym. What else can I do? Yeah, but you always like dance. Why don't you try some exercise that is based on dance? Once you have made a decision to start an exercise program, you must finalize on what kind of exercise you would like to do. A good workout goal for a woman over 40 would be to get at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of a week. While cardio is important, resistance training is also beneficial to maximize your health and to burn fat. You can go to the gym if you like, and you can combine it with other forms of exercise like yoga. You can do it on alternate days, or if you like to dance, you can choose some exercises that are dance based like aerobics or Zumba. Swimming, jogging, cycling are all different forms to be active. You can combine these exercises with other strength training exercises to maximize the benefits. Hey mom, you didn't go to the gym today? I think you didn't go yesterday and day before also. What happened? Already bored? No, nothing like that. I'm just taking a break. I'll continue in a few days, okay? You must have heard the term consistency is the key. Just as anything else, it applies to exercising also. Creating a workout plan will help you to achieve consistency. Once you have decided what type of exercise you want to do, you must have a realistic idea about how you can maintain that consistency throughout the week. Other than setting goals, you can be consistent if you make it fun. Or you can do it as a team or with your friends or your partner. Don't let your laziness get the better of you. I'm starting a juice fast from today. Other than juices, I'm not going to have anything else for a week. I don't think that's good for you at your age. Did you consult with your doctor? Both your nutritional needs, that is food and water, and your metabolism changes once you are over 40. What you eat is even more important at this age. Only exercising will not help you achieve a healthy physical body. You need to have a balanced diet, and that is even more important. Choose variety of vegetables. Eat variety of fruits. Include grains in your daily diet. You must have protein at every meal. At age 40, women lose muscle mass, and that happens in our core muscles that supports our abdomen, and that results in belly fat. Crash diet can cause you more harm than good. So when you're planning your exercise routine, a diet plan must also be made along with that. Yeah, I joined the Zumba class, but there's one problem. I don't know what kind of outfit you need to wear for all these classes and all, and from where to buy it. I have no idea at all. Can you help me with that? Yeah, don't worry. I'll check out some online stores. Amazon will have some nice gear. Let me check them out and I'll let you know, okay? No problem, don't worry. Depending upon the exercise you have chosen, you can buy the right kind of gear. Now suppose you have chosen yoga or tai chi, then you can buy a appropriate yoga mat and also proper clothing like tank tops or t-shirts and yoga pants or leggings that you feel comfortable in. For gym, you can wear a sports bra and a tank top over it, or you can go in for tracksuit, or you can simply wear a t-shirt and track pants. It all depends upon your personal style. Bottle, bag, anything can be considered when you're starting to go to the gym. But only thing you need to keep in mind is whatever you're wearing, your shoes, your clothing, it should be loose and stretchy so that while you're exercising, you can freely move your hands and legs and your body. I will leave the links to some of the gym gear in the description below, so if you're interested, you can go there and check it out. I am all ready to start my workout routine. I'm all pumped. I will lose at least 10 kilos in a week. Be honest and practical when you are setting up your goal. Aim for smaller and more realistic goals. When you're setting smaller goals, you will be able to achieve them faster, which will build your confidence and you will be able to go to the next level with more enthusiasm. Now for example, if your friend's daughter is getting married in a month and you decide that you need to lose at least 20 kgs of weight in 1 month, see, that is not realistic. It is very important for you to see that the end goal is doable for you emotionally as well as physically. Otherwise, there is a very good chance that you would lose steam, which will leave you feeling discouraged and tempted to abandon the whole exercise program itself. Now, if you say that I want to lose weight or I want to tone my body, that doesn't interpret as setting a goal. Goals has to be more specific, more definitive. Only then you will be able to measure it and only then you will know how much you have achieved. So if you are planning to start a new exercise program, be sure to make a checklist of all these points that I have covered in this video. These points are going to be really helpful for you and you will be all set and ready to start a new healthy lifestyle. And make sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.